Here's how you mine Bitcoin in under 60 seconds. First, you should get a mining rig, and it's important not to choose just on price. You want to focus on the overall proportion for price, performance, and consumption. Basically, the most efficient miner possible. Next is location. Put it in a quiet place where it won't be bothered, or put it in a data center. Some data centers are pretty cheap, and they'll give you cheaper electricity bills. Next is getting a Bitcoin wallet, and I would recommend something like Exodus or Mycelium. Both of these are great options, and you do have to choose whether you want to get a program or whether you want to get a cold wallet or hot wallet. The next step is joining a mining pool, otherwise you probably won't get any Bitcoin. If you join a pool, I would personally recommend Slush Pool because they've been around for a long time and they're trustworthy. Your next step is getting a mining program, and I would recommend NiceHash because it's much easier to use than a lot of other ones, even though it has a slightly lower reward. NiceHash is definitely a beginner software. It's much more self-explanatory. So start off with NiceHash, see how it works for you, and you can always change later. A final tip, make sure that the electricity bills are not dwarfing the amount of Bitcoin you're making, otherwise you might want to upgrade to a better machine.
Did you ever want to crypto mine? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to set up an ASIC miner. So now not only do I crypto mine on graphics cards, I now own an ASIC miner. An ASIC miner means this is designed just for mining. You're not using computer graphics cards. ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit. Two things you need. One's power, two's Ethernet. Let's get some Ethernet. Simply plug this bad boy in, like so. Now let's plug in the power. Let's travel all the way back home to realizing you forgot the power cable. Here we have it here. Next thing I'm going to do is plug it in. Next thing to do, flip the switch. This is a very quiet ASIC miner. There's not many like this. It's ramping up now. I'm not sure if you can hear it. It's really not quiet at all. And just like that, it popped up. Next, you go into the software and you put in your pool and your address, and just like that, we're mining Sia Coin. And in the short amount of time we had it mining, we already mined 81 Sia Coin. 81 Sia Coin transfers to about 73 cents, so not bad. But that's when Sia Coin's at its low right now. Right there, we're here. There's a high and there's another high. Say we hit 6 cents again, a new all-time high, slightly above what it was. That's equivalent to almost $5. Right here's what it currently makes today with the current power and everything it consumes, so roughly $3.31 a day before power. You can see the graph here, the profitability as well, but this doesn't matter because I'm holding onto the coin and selling at a high anyways. So $3.31 now, the coin is a little bit lower than a cent. Let's put it at 6 cents. So we take our coin before power, so $4.48 a day, and we're going to multiply that by 6. That equals $26.88 a day we're mining. Minus our daily power cost, which the price is a little bit higher than what I currently pay. That's nearly $26 a day we pay. And as profits go down, more people may stop mining this, so that way we might make more coins. Because the more people that are mining, the more reward that needs to be split between everyone. I'm going to keep a profit update on this so you guys can see. Thanks for watching.